Imagine turning just 10 selfies into a fully trained AI clone, one that can create unlimited photos of you in any outfit, any location, any style. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step, even if you don't own a powerful GPU. Normally, training AI models like this requires a $2,000 graphics card, but not everyone has that lying around. That's why I use Runpod, a cloud GPU service that lets you rent a powerful GPU for as little as $0.20 an hour. It makes training fast, cheap, and beginner-friendly. Start by collecting 10-20 selfies. Try to include different angles, expressions, and lighting. The more variety, the better your AI clone will generalize. Now, head over to Runpod. Choose the template I chose on the screen, or just pick the one with PyTorch 2.8.0 version and CUDA 12.8.1 version. Then, pick your GPU, I recommend A100 if available, or any other with minimum 48 GB of VRAM, and before you deploy, make sure you edit the pod template with settings I will show you on screen, then deploy the pod. In less than a minute, you'll have a ready-to-go training environment. When the pod activates, click on the Jupyter Lab interface and use the installation commands in Terminal from Ostris AI Toolkit, GitHub. It is just copy-paste procedure, really simple. After you install Ostris, you will see in your pod the port we set up before being active now. Now you click on that port link and the Ostris interface will be open. Don't forget to type in your password or the token you entered in the pod settings from before. Upload your dataset into the workspace, then run a LoRA training job with around 3,000 steps. This usually takes under about 5 hours on Runpod and costs just anywhere from $2 to $10, depending if you chose the higher VRAM GPU or the cheaper one. Once it's done, you'll have your own personalized LoRA that can recreate your face in any setting. Load your LoRA into Comfy UI workflow. You can see what I am doing on the screen. Also, I will leave the workflow below so you can just copy it and drag it. And now you can prompt your AI clone however you like. As a fashion model, in travel locations, even as anime or cinematic styles. This is the foundation for building your own AI influencer. We will be using Ostris AI Toolkit, which is really simple graphical interface. Just copy my settings from the screen. We will set up our dataset and you can either manually caption it with the trigger word for yourself or use ChatGPT or any other language model you want. Most important part is you have to think of a trigger word, which will be used later on in your text prompts to invoke your LoRA likeness in generations. So now after a few hours, you need to download your checkpoint and place it in the workspace. Comfy UI, Models, LoRA folder. You need both low and high noise LoRAs, which will be trained at the same time. After you transfer them to the folder, run Comfy UI on Runpod and set up the workflow which I left in the description. The settings need to match the ones I am using on the screen. It's really simple since everything is already set in the workflow.json file. The only manual part you will have to do before you will be able to generate the images is to download other necessary model files. You will see all the links and where they have to be placed inside the workflow. So, training this locally would take days. So if you want to try this yourself, grab your selfies, hop on Runpod, and start building your AI clone today. Use my link in the description to get it anywhere between $5 to $500 bonus credit when you deposit your first $10. That's basically free training hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.